Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete a folder on ClickUp. Maybe you want to make your workspace organized by removing unnecessary folder and focusing on the most pertinent tasks and projects. So today I'm going to show you how to delete a folder on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. In this list of spaces, select the one that contains the folder that you want to delete. Once you have found the folder, tap on it, then tap on this icon at the right to open the folder. In this page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, a window with various options will appear. Here, since you wanted to delete this folder, simply tap on this Delete Folder button. After that, ClickUp will prompt you to confirm the deletion of the folder. Be sure that you really want to delete it because this action cannot be undone. Now, confirm your choice by tapping on this Delete button. After that, you now have successfully deleted the folder on ClickUp. The folder and all its associated tasks are now gone, making your workspace cleaner and more focused. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete a folder on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete a folder in ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.